here so that we can...
No, where's the word Muslim mentioned here? For show me. Which ayah mentions Muslim? It is talking about somebody else. It's talking about the evil one who will go to hell first. Where does it say Muslims?
Okay, let me read. If that's not convincing, let me read.
Tell me which verse says Muslim.
Yes, let me read it. Let me read it out.
Okay, tell me verse number.
Okay, good. Let me read it out.
Verse number which?
Let me check and read
Which verse are you reading? I want to know.
71, 72.
In 71, 72, the word Muslim doesn't exist.
Okay,
read.
Now, then let me read from 6. That's why I quote, my reference is from 68.
Okay, 68 also doesn't quote.
Oh, yeah, let me read.
68 doesn't say Muslim anywhere.
Let me read. Even I can read from anywhere, any place. Okay, from 66.
Okay.
And man says, 66 now.
Okay.
Can it be that when I am dead, I will be brought alive? Does man not remember that when created him, earlier when he was nothing,
correct,
but your Lord, we will surely aid them and the devil.
And the
devil.
Repeat, devil.
Yes.
Devil.
Yes.
So Allah is talking about devils now.
And the devil.
Yes.
Then we will surely bring them around hell on their nails.
Correct.
Then out of every set, we will surely snatch those most defiant to the all-merciful.
No, read correctly. You are reading half. Read correctly again that verse.
This is from my own.
Read 68. Read 68 again.
No, okay, I'm reading 69 now. I've read 68 before. 68 says,
so thy Lord.
Okay, sorry. But your Lord will surely aid them and the devil.
Devil, yes.
Yes. Then we will surely bring them around hell on their knees.
Okay.
And
next.
I continue.
69.
Then out of every set, we will surely snatch those most defiant to the all-merciful.
Correct. All those who are against Allah.
Yes.
So it's not talking about Muslims.
It's
talking about those who are against Allah.
We have not finished, sir.
No, read the full verse correctly. Read 69. Then shall we certainly drag out from every sect all those who were versed in obstinate rebellions against Allah, most gracious.
Yes, I said
so this verse is talking about those who are Allah most gracious, not about Muslims.
No, let me continue. Let me read the Quran first before you give an explanation. Let me read the Quran.
So do you understand talking about those who are against Allah?
Sheikh Zakir Naik, let me read the Quran. Al-Quran. This is the Al-Quran. Let me read it completely first before you give explanation. So, 70. 70 says, then we surely know better of those who are most deserving to in it.
Okay.
But every single one of you is born to approach it. This has been a decree, unavoidable decree of your Lord. Then we will deliver those who were mindful of God and live unjust on their nails. So if you can read that even in your own English,
I'm reading.
That it will
I'm reading in Arabic also, in English also. Nowhere does it say Muslim.
Okay.
It's talking about the devil and those who are followers of the devil who are enemies of Islam. Correct.
That's why I said,
where does it say Muslim? In the full Arabic text, there is no Muslim.
Okay.
In the English text, there is no Muslim.
Okay.
Why are you trying to fool the people?
No, sir. The Hadith explain it better. We said if you did not get it, I can give another Quran.
I'm not getting it. I can understand even in your language. Nowhere is the word Muslim mentioned. Even in your English language, it's talking about the devil and those who are obstinate against the most gracious Allah.
Okay.
So Allah will bring them and put them in hell. What is the problem?
But why did he say that?
Please don't waste people's time. You you took so much time. I gave you time. You are quoting the Quran.
You can read it from your translation.
Even what you read, the word Muslim is not there.
It doesn't have to be Muslim. It's saying all sects.
Of course it should. It's saying all sects of the devil.
It's talking about
sects
all
of the devil.
Being, and also the Hadith. Okay, let me read the Hadith so that it can be clearer. And another Quranic verse that make it clear. Another Quranic verse, Quran chapter 3, verse 185. Quran chapter 3, verse 185. Also make it clear.
I know 3, 185 says, Allah will not accept any religion except Islam. All those who follow any other religion, they shall be put into hell.
Now, from here, I want to read it. I want to just read it.
I'm telling.
And we'll just read the hadith to confirm it.
It doesn't say Muslims. It is talking about those who are against Allah. Anyone who desires a religion other than Allah, it will never be accepted of him. Kullu nafsin zaiqatul maut. every soul shall have a taste of death.
I'm reading here. Then we read
Brother,
like this.
now brother, you are close to accepting Islam. I think it's a story. It's a story. It's a story because they wanted to misguide the people. Brother, what's your name? Brother, what's your name?
My name is Benson.
Benson.
Yes.
Benson.
Yes.
Brother Benson, I doubt whether you wanted to accept Islam in 2008.
I want to. My
Very
best
good.
friend. Let me give you a narration about it. My best friend, who is a Muslim, I'm a Christian. We share everything in common. Is the one that we discovered that the only thing we didn't share in
But
common.
now, do you know you made a mistake? Your friend may not be an expert in the Quran, correct?
My friend is a Christian today. 2012, he has become a Christian. And he's an afar.
Your friend, according, that's the reason your friend that told you doesn't know the Quran. And you misguided him.
No.
So you
he
misguided.
himself.
Instead of him taking you to Islam, you took him from the right path to the wrong path. I told you first, your friend doesn't know the Quran. You misguided him. And now you're trying to misguide us also. Correct?
No, sir.
So if you told your friend, I want to become Muslim, I'll show you the Quran. Now Quran says you go to hell. Now become a Christian. He became a Christian. Because he doesn't know the Quran. Brother, I'm talking to you, you're looking inside.
Okay, I want to just read it.
I'm
That's
talking to you, you're looking inside.
Okay, no, I'm listening to you, sir.
Brother, you quoted 2 verses. Both the verses don't talk about Muslims in hell. Why are you wasting your time?
Do you want to?
You have to agree you made a mistake. Say sorry and let us give a chance to her, please.
Okay, sir.
If you make a mistake, say sorry at least.
No.
Say at least sorry. No. Say sorry, I made a mistake.
No, I didn't make any mistake.
Okay, then you don't want to accept your mistake. Then you're a liar according to me.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. Can we have the next question, sister?